So we're at the back of the grid on board with Khalid. How many positions can he make up on this opening lap? It's lights out and away we go. He gets a decent start. The drivers in front veer to the left hand side, so Khalid does the opposite. He goes to the right hand side. He makes up a couple of places. Notice how he's going to focus on the driver in the black shirt in front of him. He's going to try and follow him down through turn 1, round the outside, which now becomes the inside for turn 2, and also inside for turn 3. He makes up another place. As the driver in the black shirt runs wide, Khalid dives to the inside and knows he has to claim the inside edge for the next corner. An audacious dive bomb, but let's see how he gets on as he throws the kart to the inside edge, really getting squeezed there, but he gains a couple of places. Now for the next sweeping left-hand turn, he's forced to the outside part of the track. He has to try and switch back now to the left-hand side of the track. As we run it in slow motion, he cuts across the track, getting a good exit, getting good momentum, heading into the sharp left-hand turn. You have to be very brave here, very late on the brakes here. As he dives down the inside, makes up a couple more places, bit of carnage in front as a couple of drivers are involved in a tangle. As he glances back, it's now a drag race up the hill between 3 karts. Although Khalid had the preferred line with better momentum, that's going to carry him all the way down to the hairpin turn now, where he has the inside line over the driver in the black suit. Now on the run up to the second hairpin turn, you can see the karts behind are hot in pursuit, but he has to keep his nerve, he has to hold his line. That's exactly what he does through that hairpin turn. He's actually managed to open up a bit of a distance, and now he's catching the final driver who's in the yellow t-shirt. He's off the racing line. Could he potentially go for a switchback through this left-hand turn? He blocks the switchback path, forcing Khalid the long way around the outside. Not an issue for him. And before we've even completed the first lap, he's all the way up to first position in remarkable style. Now the key to his success on this lap was that he remained calm and collected. Since this was a reverse grid race, he expected carnage, but in saying that, he was decisive with his overtaking maneuvers, and he was aggressive when he needed to be.